The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Opposition spokesman on finance, Audley Shaw, is asserting that a new IMF agreement is not likely this year and that the one which the government is negotiating will only yield $400 million US, or what he describes as a hangover from the previous deal with the fund. Shaw, who was answering journalists at JLP headquarters today at a press conference called to discuss the party's scaled-down annual conference, emphasized that there were no large sums of money to be acquired under the new deal with the fund.
When we signed the standby agreement for $1.2 billion United States dollars, we got $800 million out of it. My credible information is that this new agreement that is negotiated, only the remaining $400 million US that is from the old agreement will be available in the new agreement. So that you can expect that only an extra $400 million therefore will be available to buttress the gross foreign exchange reserves, not the NIR. I want to stress that.
Following observations by Shaw that the dollar was under serious pressure and that a black market in hard currency was emerging, opposition leader Andrew Holness described this as a dangerous trend for the economy.
Because at the official rate, you're only able to satisfy a certain percentage of your foreign exchange demand. For that over and above, you are going to have to pay a premium. Now, this is very dangerous for the economy, because local producers will now have to start to incorporate their future expectations of the valuations into their purchasing now.
Amid continued high broker demand for foreign exchange, the Jamaican dollar weakened against the 3 regularly traded foreign currencies. In other words, the benchmark American dollar as well as the Canadian dollar and the British pound strengthened against the local currency. The greenback gained 5 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $91.31, whilst the Canadian dollar gained 1 Jamaican cent to close at $90.99 Jamaican. Sterling advanced by 20 Jamaican cents to close at $145.82. News on the market now. The market was fairly thin with less than 1 million shares changing hands. Though winners outperformed losers by 2 to 1, falls by the 2 big banking groups, NCB and Scotia, triggered losses in the indices today. The main JC index fell by 213 points, or 1/5 of 1%. 19 stocks traded, with 10 advancing, 5 declining, and 4 holding firm. The winners included Grace Kennedy, Hardware and Lumber, JMMB, the 3 Lasco companies, and Sagicor Life Jamaica. The losers included Carreras, KLE Group, NCB, and Scotia Group Jamaica. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.